If you're in the transportation industry, this is one topic you can't afford to ignore. How much does an independent truck driver actually make? Stick around because we're breaking it all down for you. First off, let's set the scene. Being an independent truck driver isn't just about driving a truck. You're essentially your own boss, which sounds great, and it is. But it also means you handle everything from getting contracts to managing expenses. It's a lot like running a small business on wheels. Now, let's talk about the big question: salary. What can you expect to bring home as an independent trucker? On average, independent truck drivers in the U.S. can earn anywhere from $50,000 to $100,000 per year. But hold your horsepower. These numbers can swing higher or lower depending on a bunch of factors, like the type of hauls you're doing, how often you're on the road, and the region you're driving through. You might be asking, why such a big range? Well, think of it this way. The longer and more specialized your hauls, the more you're likely to pocket. Long-haul drivers can rack up serious miles, and with that comes better pay. On the flip side, short hauls might mean you're home more often, but could also mean less pay. Okay, so what affects these earnings? Let's get into the nitty-gritty. One major factor is expenses. Remember, you're not just earning money, you're also spending it on things like diesel, insurance, maintenance, and those all-important meals on the go. These can add up fast and take a bite out of your earnings. It's crucial to manage these costs to maximize your take-home pay. Here's a handy tip. Keeping your truck in tip-top shape might seem like just another chore, but it helps prevent expensive breakdowns and keeps your wallet happier. So don't skimp on those regular checkups for your rig. Another thing to consider is how you find your loads. Technology is a big friend here. Apps and websites have made it easier than ever to connect with shippers directly. This can cut out the middleman and potentially boost your earnings. And hey, if paperwork and number crunching isn't your thing, don't sweat it. Companies like Moving Authority can handle the complex stuff for you. We're pros at dealing with those necessary but mind-boggling forms. Check out movingauthority.com or call us at 702-333-2430 to see how they can make the process way smoother. Thanks for hanging out and talking trucking with us today. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more insights, and share your thoughts in the comments. What's your number one piece of advice for someone looking to go independent? We'd love to hear from you. This video is brought to you by movingauthority.com, your partner in navigating the trucking world. Until next time, drive safe and keep those wheels rolling.
Moving Authority Association. We have been helping people in the trucking industry for over 20 years. Let us help your company today by calling 702-333-2430 or visit movingauthority.com.